Hey guys, it's Joe. We're back at Stony Brook. Got some updates to show you. As you can see, it's shaping up pretty good. Our new kitchen area, the heart of the home, this place is going to be great. We've kind of repeated a couple of the angles that are kind of existing to the property just to give some continuity to the design, but not too much because we don't want to overdo it. But as you can see, this is looking really great. We got rid of the wallpaper in the breakfast area, which is wonderful. We've also started to take care of our office space here, and it's coming together really great. So here we are in the entry where part of this space has been redefined so that we could add a hallway to the master, which is over to my left, and this framework right here is now our new master closet, which we've doubled the space. So we've got tons of storage now, and we're super excited for the final product. We've got the master bathroom coming together. We've got our inspections done. We've got it framed in. We're getting rid of the plant shelves. And if you take a look up here, we're leaving just a little bit so that for the future, if they ever decide to bust into the wall there, they'll know how ugly that wallpaper used to be. Stay tuned for more updates.